Uka kuroso mochi umugwawa asepare nene yilami yakuri kunge kugenda chebera.
Samari Tanguru Kenyara Wilfred, Amara Strago School Yundi at Technical Training Institute as a accountant Amira. As a one and what intake Yomotinukianda was a September intake. Governor Puerco Gania Bible, but what Havana Kure School from 4, Navaliva together in Electra State, waiting back here. Stavana was a Technical Training Institute, and Havana to actually 12, Internal Semi, Chekarango Kegoro, and the same Jatokona, some of Kalmoto, Karibu Sana YouTube.
Asamange Bakiresimi Asinamba 0713985300. Gitebe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Nyota Dry Cleaners niko bagusibya balingana kubase cyanga cyao wikirano ngusibya bale ekisuti kigown kiduve
Margova engiyo mwanchumo ligiriria ase Jumapili ya bene andonsi aso tubwatirite ekero chiragire chinsa ibere chebono botuko ekeonga chinsa ibere ase nchira ere yoboikiranu elionkomanye ayitobere to gukwariganiria aso mubaso mugima na yabere kagokorekana kurwa county ya Kisii goika isiko ye county ne chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya igo karibu sana ekero ngokumanya senchira yoboikiranu ase keonga chinsa ibere niko tukubwaterana nere DJ Kripa kwene kilio gine chibicha byago ikeire na ncheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto kenda gotubwatia se mitandao yetu ya Facebook na bago YouTube na Getembe TV tubasa gusukale kwira na turasege kagetali getambe elion kumanyeyemo ase Tochaka ekionga chinsa ibere kurwase county ya Nyamira amatuka make magagayo mubungo West Mugirango omusike Steven Mogaka na boigo omubunge bwebungeria ya Kitutu Chacha North omusike Jafet Nyakundi babete bagotalira epale kuruchinsema cha bomburia waikalio nyangi bonyunyu imeye wadi ya Bogichora ebungeria ya West Mugirango eligo kwanira bananchi bensemeyo igorona ki epale yiga babete bakubwatirana waika ekabekwe budget ili echikobekwe rami nikobono omubungo mukuru West Mugirango uyu nande oromunyakero gubwekyama gya Jubilee omusike Vincent Kemosi nere abereka gokoletaro wikase pale yu asabereka gukwanira bananchi bensemeyo nabateba buna umuroberio bokobekwe rami ase pale yu nigo yabetege kobekwa ase budget chinga kyalengo mubunge o West Mugirango nabego chinga kyomusike Jimmy Angwenyi alenge omujumbe o Kitutu Chacha North asibona bereka gosemia abana inchi bensemeyo buna tibabasa kongaino na montonde bwensi buna omujumbe Steve Mogaka nere oberega kubwaterana elikwanekie pale yo yabekirwerami muri kitofat Gisemba otwariganirio roboti ru asenchira ere yoboikirano
epare ye korochi kudechira chero moko na chwebango ondetayo karako pare ye korochi bwa ogota kubakorera nga nefe bakubakorera ine rega siwene te gokorwa ne serikali ya iguru.
Oyo no mubunge omukuru o West Mugirango Mosque Vincent Kemosi oyo gwecokire na gukwanira ipara yerami eyo egendrete koroisiwa ekorwa pumburia rionyangi gocha bonyonyu amagenderero korengana na Kemosi atebire buna nere uchagitie kerengererio kipare yiga kubikwa erami
ekara twarenge pungo mwaka 2017 mpaka 2022 no mosike orenge koro kuchimiangwe epare kurugura bumburi gocha twayetetie erindegerebe kwerami esengento punge ya erete ekabe pate tibono buna yate tego ikenga kieye ekabe keruchimesa igo naroro mochumbo itoga kagocha
ukwana yaiga kurase kenyoro kya embonga imeye sublocation ya charachani nigo ensemo yayo mu engineer Adams Mochenwa oyokoria oboseneta bwa Nyamira airire chinga kyecho na kubasegeta bananchi kucha kubachora abaraya baya
Mochenwa yo narigete kero kyo boseneta 2022 lakini okoranga teria keiga lakini round yeye ndoche boli na keroli mwana koromo seneta gocha abantu bamindo tigamba tebi 2027 kitariki 10 omutinyo 8 ngochi gwaka tore chikura egentege tangani chora abarai bamonyete gase yabo abarai batari bebitina abarai bago ikabantu
nonye nabo abaraya baiga ebamochirie chingwana echo chaenekiwa amona abaraya bwo bakubwatesia serikali obwamo ya broad-based igoro yomoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i buna nerebuya asoe serikali erigeti ase okubwaterana
wanasema eti wanamwalika kuingia kwa serikali. Mimi nataka kuwaelezea wale viongozi ambao walikuwa hapa Nyamira kwamba sisi katika chama cha Jubilee na sisi katika upinzani hatuna haja yeyote kujiunga na serikali ambayo inapora mali ya wananchi. Sisi tutatengeneza serikali yetu ambayo iko na mwelekeo. Harambee! Kasongo aende asiende! Aende asiende! Aende asiende! Kasongo bye! Kasongo bye!
Hingo reporter Gatembe kuraiga se kenyoro kya embonga ime ye wodi ya Bugichora West Mugirango County ya Nyamira nche Fatgad Gisemba.
Biamono sana mulikito Fatgad Gisemba aso gutwariganiria oroboti uruto bosuka guchase oroboti runde meye county yo ya Nyamira umugavana we county ya Nyamira umuski Amos Kimwomi nyaribo nigo aberega kubwatuka erombende yabo bisa kurwase county yo ya Nyamira elibachikwenyorera amaigerio a paramilitary ase chinsemo cha Londiani Forestry College elikwane kibuna kwenyorera barobumanyi igoro ye chinchira echo baranyale ko babagokora emirimo yabo ase county yugo kwana boigo omobiso munne enforcement nigo abereka gotebabuna nigere buya bonsi konyora amaigeria yo buna enchire yemo yokonyora obumanyi obubarachi bakonya ekero bagokora emirimo yabo.
Asa Marieta nkoro kulinet Nyarinda Ocharo enforcement officer Nyamira County niko inde Nyamira South enforcement abo bisaba ito twachire ko bae advice rero bakari kwende training ya paramilitary Londiani wewa intutu arenge fast lot twachie tororo training nengi ya exercise tukege liguchi exercise chinyinge chiarenge chingi ya gali bono twacha ko ba advice bina bakogenda ebintu babwendete babogoli nali bago tumeka se training ya Londiani ase Londiani ebintu mbiro twasometigu bya paramilitary ali bina toko ando nonyere our clients in the county na toko korega sibna to korenda chi sentry akwenda chi function chonsi ento bata experience so nabarabuto ko batakirama ya bande nabaraba batware knowledge yeriyo nalitoko babange tonyare goshirikiana pamoja
njama lieta nengurugua Douglas Kewaro Obenga Indomo enforcement officer Nyamira County igongo saba asaba enforcement yabanande tukwira Londiani asiri tukoria rero bachikonya ko abantu bali nechi namaskani nande egento bagotebigwa bakigwira bakuruoro nabo bagochera goko babanto ere bamanyete eki bagokora buna nachie buna riri konyana ntaranda rondiani nabwate experience lakini bono naru rondiani nabo mbwate experience none egasi egane ekere nkokora ekere mpangire ase egasi ongokora kabisa kawaida kamiri nimbwate experience ya kutosha.
Ekero tugutigana nayo kubwatikana ni chinkwana chaye oyore omuraibe kiama ya DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigo abarai ao babere bagwesokia na kumubulia anariko bagakorwa esiko ya bene guchasegesa kukyomugusi na boigo Dr. Fred Matiang'i oyore omurwanereria ase ekiama ya Jubilee anene aso kuligekero ky'oburaibense ya Kenya ase chikura chirebosyo gukwana litkulelero oyo kuligekero ky'obugavana we county ya Nyamira Honorable Duke Ombagi nigabere kagutuguterare chinkwanecho na kubulia Matiang'i anyareko bagakwe wesiko eriko ene kibuna nerengo buguriale ebendera y'omugusi na bigo ense ya Kenya
imufikie Wamunyoro anasema ati hatuna kura. Kwani hii ni miti? Hizi ni miti? Mukisi ako kila sehemu ya nchi. Ukienda Marekani kuna Mkisii, ukienda Turkana kuna Mkisii. Hata hivyo tunampatia kijana wetu mchapakazi anaitwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Tunataka kuambia Wamunyoro, wewe kazi yako ni kutafuta numbers ili Fred Matiang'i akuwe rais wa nchi 2027. Amangana Nyamira ekamoda sere intage temonge kerogeke mbaro seri chupara ndaye temonge kerogeke mbaretera macha machenu nyomba ndaye temonge kerogeke mbagachere chireye ndaye temonge kerogeke ndikabana bachigasi bakore isukuru baresika. Vijana power. Ko nganjira more insoe county ye mbatinya mariga. Abangi naba. Mwetiganire. Mwasomiri abana. Baetire bakore school nane umona gabunyomba. Ko ngamuri bamba ikigasi. Ko ngamuri ikigasi. Abamura boda. Kera ni tuko bakwelegare cross bigi dinkoleta jiramiga kwani koleta ramiga nekone moreta yale kwa nje muko na mimi uko juu muko na Matiang'i. Hebu nione salamu za Matiang'i.
Togo tigana bana na yuma nchomo ligeriana kwenda ase sekta yechisemi abarai nigo bagendete kubulia serikali inyareko bageko achisemi omustali obosyo ase kiribuna nigo aboro kigwa korwa chinsemo bagenderete kwenyorera chisemi wanchirire kwandi bonzi botayono nyenabo nigo babaire bakubulia aboro kigwa anene koru chinsemo chirichia North Eastern banyareko bakwenyorera chisemi na barabu na aboro kigwa korwa chinsemo imense ya Kenya batari gutwara uwanchiriria ase kiribuna na barabu na aboro kigwa na nigo baganiri kwenyorera chisemi.
Now, there are two countries Kenya admires incredibly when it comes to education, and that is Singapore and South Korea. You measure the education in a society by the number of years a citizen stays in school. Currently, in Kenya, the citizen stays on average for 8 years. I know some of you are looking at me and like 8 years is not possible. Why you think that way is because you are in Kenya A. I would like most of you to visit Kenya B. Kenya B is when you cross Isiolo. You go to Marsabit, you go to Wajir, Mandera, Turkana, Samburu, parts of Samburu. There are challenges there. I chair the Northern Regional Trust, which is communities conservancies in the north. The statistics there are not good. 14% of the children in northern Kenya only reach Form 4. The other 86% have never seen a secondary school classroom. So we have challenges in education, and we need to figure out a way of enhancing education in what is now called Kenya B. Universities like Mount Kenya needs to figure out through research, how do we enhance education? The law has changed. We now have prior learning, and we need to figure out how do we increase this, so that as we even have aspirations for Singapore or South Korea, where the average number of years spent in school is 18 years. So it is something that we need to look at, and I want to throw this challenge to Parliament and education policy makers to say, how do we ensure that every child in Kenya reaches where Kenya is first, and also our aspirational country, which is Singapore and South Korea, where we have 18 years of education.
Oyolenge omukonyi bw'omurai wense oyiboigole omurai bw'ekiama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua nikabere gakomochia serikali asogotaimukia bitambukiro binde byonsi byokoenekya oburendi mboisaine aiga aimense ya Kenya gukwana litukulia lero chinga kyabakagwikira nase misa y'amasabo ase kanisa ya ACK St Philip's and Mary Magdalene eyo egotoka se bunge ya Kiamba ime county ya Kiambu. Gachagua nigo abeire gakwerera igoro y'ebikole by'obwiti ebyabere bikoina kiwa aiga sense ya Kenya ebikorwa bigendrete koleto bwoba gochiase abana inchino nabo nigabeire gakomochia serikali asekeria beire kagotabuna ebikole byo ebinge byabo nigo bigendrete kukolekana wose nigo bigendrete koenekiwa amone serikali yenyewe.
Ni kwamba polisi ndio wanatumika na serikali kuua Wakenya. Huyu DCI Mohamed Amin kazi yake ni cover up. Hapo Mount Elgon iko mtu alikuwa anasimama kiti hapo ameuawa. Family wamenitafuta Rigiji tangaza DCI is covering up wale watu ambao wameua huyu alikuwa anapigania kiti hapo Mount Elgon. So that is the problem we are having as a country. Ya kwamba serikali ndio inaumiza Wakenya. Na ndio tunasema tourists are not safe. Investors are not safe. Na hiyo ndio tatizo ambayo tuko nayo. Na mimi nauliza William Ruto, wewe rais, hata kama umeharibu uchumi, umeharibu afya, umeharibu masomo, hii maneno ya kuambia polisi waue watu wa Kenya, jenzi uliua, wale walibaki ulisema wapigwe risasi kwa mguu. Sasa umetengeneza kikosi, ati mtu akikosana na mtu mwingine anaenda analipa polisi wanaua yeye. Sasa what kind of a country are we having as Kenya, where the police are assassins for hire? So we are having police that are killing people in the country. DCI Mohamed Amin kazi yako ni cover up. Siku nimemtangaza anajaribu kuambia Wakenya, hata hiyo watu waliongea na simu na Rigiji, anafikiria Wakenya ni wachinga. Sasa Rigiji ataongea nao watu na Edi anatangaza ile watu wameua watu. So tunauliza wewe William Ruto, tafadhali, hii maneno ya kutumia polisi kuua watu, hii maneno ya cover up by DCI must come to an end. And we are asking the international community to intervene, because this country is not safe for anybody. Even the ambassadors and their staff who are here, they are not safe. These are killers on the run. Sasa kama how two police officers wameshikwa, wamewachiliwa. These are dangerous people. They are assassins. They have killed people and they continue to kill others. So ndio tunaambia watalii, ngojeni kidogo. Investors, ngojeni kidogo. Iko shida katika nchi yetu.
Wenchu mwoligereria oroboti wa Rigathi Gachagua na rogotora sumutumo komoke ase kionga chinsa ibere tobasa guskale nkoirana tole elio ngendera gukomanya.
Nyota Dry Cleaners ndiko bagusibia balingana kubase changa chao wikirano ngusibia bale chisuti chigown chiduve chicurtains chicarpet ebikoro tukurwa bidibia bana wikabidibia bantabanene wigo mkuru bale obokoreri wa vacuum cleaning sofa set cleaning asechinga niko bagutuka imiyumo cy'ubusungo nyanjwa ananya gitari ya maiso mbabwate bwigo obokoreri bwa pick up na bwigo delivery asamange bakirisime ase namba 0742178765 Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi. Ayumuremi amangana maya nkaya company ya Falcon ikuja kuletere embusuru y'ekibando engia ya ETGM 401 iyo kwama igati amatuke 90 wika amatuko 115 ka nebande gwicure buya asekemba na yabo buya asamasakara na igo teriko gunda ebande yiga teri kuigoburire na teri kwama bichondo wigo ikuja kuletere embusuru y'ekibando engia ya ETGM 601 iyo kwama igati ya amatuke 125 wikama atuko 130 nebande gwicure buya asekemba na yabo buya asamasakara na igo teriko gunda ebande yiga teri kuigoburire na teri kwama bichondo wigo niko babwate obuyo byagwa kaino magic obubo mendere NPK amadini akokonya gotobelira baliao ubuyo bigani ko bakobonya asebirengo bichikire 50 wikachikire 50 nebere babwate buigo obuyo bwa top dress mbone kantabuna kaino plus S obubo gotobelira ba na komenta amadini egento gikorera lige saligi ya babwate buigo kaino plus Gromax obubo bwate potassium sulfur na calcium ubuyo bo niko bukusarira bimeli binde byonse bunabono amatunda echae opoli chingende chibando emesie ekawa egatibimeli binde ubuyo buniko bukutoka acid ebirengo bichi kilo 10 20 na 50 enyorere aya onsi asituke konya ebintu byamugondo ere angena sure gose akesi bigutera se namba 0788000028 gose 07
Senator we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna amona baraibande kurwa aserombe ya Linda Mwananchi niko baba bagutalira abamenyi be county ya Kakamega abo asibagendera wa Kirekoko Edwin Sifuna wotena na kubulia ekirgo ky'oburayibwense ase chikura cyo mwaka ogocha okwanekere kibaikirana ase kanisa imeye kanisa iyo mucho Mumias nigo Sifuna abakagote babuna nigo arachikwene kibuna abalimi anana abemesi nigo barachikonyora kibesa cyabo boikiranu hasobolimi obubwemesi asensemo yaye umugavana we county ya Trans Nzoia Muske George Natembea aberega kubolia barayibe chikanisa haiga sense ya Kenya wotenana na Kenya nabo igo kugekeria okunereria kwa bwene bwabo.
Tuzungumze na Mungu, tumwambie dhoruba ambazo zinatupiga. Ndio maana wakati ambapo tunafanya mikutano yetu Kenya nzima tunaanza kanisani ili tuweze kumwambia Mwenyezi Mungu kwamba safari ambayo tuko ndani sio rahisi, lakini tunamhitaji kwamba aende mbele yetu ili aturahisishie mambo. Mumesikia kutoka kwa Bishop kwamba Wakenya wanapigwa na dhoruba kutokea kila mahali, na haswa ya mambo ya kiuchumi. Wale ambao ni wageni hapa Mumias kama kina dada zangu kina Zuena Abi wanatoka kule na Nakuru, nataka niwaonyeshe kwamba ama niwajulishe kwamba wakati sisi tunakuwa huu mji wa Mumias, it was one of the most thriving towns in this country. Mji wa Mumias ulikuwa mji ambao unastaarabika, lakini kwa sababu ya huu mradi wetu hii kuyumbayumba hii miaka yote, Mumias is now a shell of what it used to be. Na ni kwa sababu ya ufisadi ambao uliingililia. Watu wanaamua wanaweza uwa jamii mzima, lakini rafiki zao ndio wanapewa kandarasi ya kuingiza sukari, ilhali wakulima wetu wanangoja kulipwa na hii mradi yetu. Wakati Mumias ilikuwa inafanya kazi, it was the single largest taxpayer in Western Kenya, paying up to 60 billion shillings per year to our exchequer. Wakati hiyo miradi inaanguka, ndio Wakenya wanaumia. Kwa hivyo, Bishop, mimi nataka nikuhakikishie, tunajua dhoruba ambayo inawapiga Wakenya. Umesikia vile tumeambiwa hapa. Wale ambao wanataka kungojea ama wanangojea kwenda university, wanashangaa watatoa wapi school fees, kwa sababu serikali iliyoko imecheza mambo na pata na potea na hii mambo yetu ya kufund university. Wale tulienda university hapa wakati kulikuwa na uongozi sambamba. Tunajua kwamba tulikuwa tunakuja hapa kwa chief, anakusainia, anasema huyu tunamjua, huyu ni maskini. Nakuja kwa bishop, anasema huyu ni mshirika wangu, najua kuna shida. Unapeleka form help, unapatiwa pesa ya kusoma. Hivyo ndio sisi tulisoma.
Wakati watu wanapigwa, dunia imeharibika, kila mtu analia, church haitakani kuwa neutral. Mkikuwa neutral inamaanisha kwamba you're on the side of the oppressor. The sides are very clear. Either mko kwa upande wa wananchi ama mko kwa upande wa oppressor. Na katika hii vita sisi tunaomba maombi. Mtuombee kabisa Mwenyezi Mungu atupatie ujasiri, atupatie hekima, na atupatie ile nguvu ya kuresist temptation. Maana mimi niko na hakika kwamba Ruto atakuja na pesa mingi. Labda wengine ambao mnatuona hapa mbele baadaye mnaona tunaongea lugha tofauti. Tunaomba Mwenyezi Mungu kabisa mtupatie
Baribekia magia ODM bakora uno munyakero gwe kyamekyo oyubo igore umugavana anene bwe county ya Homa Bay Musbate Gladys Wanga niko babiri bakomochia umuraibe kyama ya DCP oyubo igore ngo mukonyi bo umuraibense ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua ase okogendera kwa siasa chobogesaku anene bosibo bochori obonene bu mwaka 2027 gukona ase bunga ya Ndhiwa me county ya Homa Bay abara yebo niko babiri bagoteba buna siasa chobogesaku nigo kiraba ko vacancy ya Kenya asichinga kichigwa obochori obonene burange wikira asali akongo.
This party, this ODM party, its ideals, the things that it stands for, we will negotiate with the UDA party, not just about positions, but also about the issues that ODM has stood for over the years, including inclusion. And that is why we cannot be in the same place as Gachagua. Gachagua propagates exclusion. The politics of big tribes and small tribes. That is not the ODM DNA. And anybody associating with Gachagua and saying they are part of ODM, Sivyo.
The problem we have with Gachagua is the fact that he's a tribal leader. And he wants to be a national leader. This country has suffered a lot in terms of exclusion in development and exclusion even in employment. This country, there are areas and regions which have never felt like they belong to this country. And therefore, any leader, when he wakes up, he talks tribal. Going to sleep, he's tribal. That is not a leader we can associate with. That is not a leader we can work with. You cannot be a leader who keeps on saying that you want to be president because your community has 7 million votes. Do you want to lead your community or you want to lead the whole country? We cannot be in a country where Gachagua keeps on telling us Kiambu has 2 million, Meru has 1 million. The other communities, however small or few we are, we also produce people who are capable of leading this country. We cannot support that, and that is why Gachagua to us is a no. The other day he was telling Kisses that they are very few, they cannot produce a president. He's telling Luos that we are only 1.5 million. He's telling Somalis, he's calling them Al-Shabaab, he's calling them pirates. How can we have a national leader whose mind is fixed on regional and ethnic politics? And that is why this country will return Ruto to power.
Umukonyi b'umuraiwense ya Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki igabereka gotogia obokoreri bw'ekikanisa aso kugendera kubwatirana ne serikali aso gusira chisekta au buna enchire yemo anene yogwikirania obokoreri obuya guchase omwananchi ukwana chingaki abakawikirana ase parish ya Gaichanjuru e county ya Murang'a. Kindiki nigo abereka kurwo kubulia guchasa abananchi borogongo rwa Mount Kenya kumubwatesia omuraiwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto ilikuwa nekinachikwira na soborai ase ntunde yende ya kabiri aso wachori bonene bole bosino nyenabo nigabereka goteba bune serikali nigo yabekire miroberio ensemo yokwenekia ngwagachere chinyumba cy'oburaro hichitaneti 1153 ase chi university au na boigo chitivet
among religions, because they have not just concentrated on preaching the gospel of Jesus Christ, but they have also concentrated in empowering citizens, building hospitals like this hospital here, schools, universities, providing water for communities. And I want to assure you also that the government sees you as a partner in our development agenda. Kanisa ni mshiriki mkuu wa serikali katika mambo ya maendeleo ya taifa. Nasema ya kwamba kazi ya serikali ni kuhudumia wananchi, kuwajengea barabara na mashule na masoko, kuwapatia maji na stima. Yametusaidia sisi serikali katika hiyo kazi. Mimi nimeanzisha umoja ya jamii za Mlima Kenya. Mimi nilikuta umoja wa jamii za Mlima Kenya ukiwa hapo. Kwa hivyo tuendelee na huo umoja, tusiwe watu wa kugawanyika, na wakati kuna tofauti kidogo kidogo ya kisiasa tuongee hizo tofauti bila kuhujumu umoja. We will defend the unity of our nation with all our strength, with all our might, with all our resources, with all our intellect. We cannot allow the unity of our country to be undermined. We can also not allow the unity of our community, the unity of our region to be undermined. We will pay whatever price we need to pay to make sure that the community and the nation remains united. Tunajengea wanafunzi zaidi ya vyumba 1,180 katika Jamhuri ya Kenya, wanafunzi wa university, wanafunzi wa Technical Training Institute wapate mahali pazuri pa kulala, masoko tunajenga, na mambo ya title deeds tunatoa. Mwenye kusukuma hiyo kazi ni mama anaitwa Alice Muthoni Wahome. Kandara hoye! Kandara hoye!
Murigereria narayo kurwase keunga chinsa ibere asobotuko bwarero byamana ya bene asengencho kogendera kubwatia nabo igokurigereria Igetembe TV gendera kwegokeria emiroberio otumerana nandekero charagire chinsa nye ngoretera yandi asinchira yobuime gendera gutwara oborigereri borobuya chani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemonto ekarato bwatiranire nere Elvis Manyara kwenekia eriogene chibicha byagwikire.
Nyota Dry Cleaners niko bagusibya balingana kubase changa chao wekerano ngusibya bale chisuti kigaun chiduve Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoka meyo mu cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'ichinge ni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensold egati bintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasa company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ni chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro to tigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru complex eyirange namagacho Safaricom wigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomuchi wosongo bakere simgwetra set number chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ne nubatekorera kundi wensi ebenkulye kwemekutano okorere kugukwa kulye gukwinyurya gusemera igende yonsi oraganye erariwe mono Getembe FM your station nero iridyuka eyubwate signent ndi nabo igo ensera kirege tangaza munintwe asirigurira mabuko twakirisi migwetra se namba 0143567165 Getembe FM asa matangazo ana olegene. Ine kwabiri gukorya road show track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate road show track experience neyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabiri gukorya track yiga ya road show iyo rakorere product launch use emesangerekano ya siasa brand activation use emesangerekano ya cooperative egatiye chi road show chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere track yibwate libagaliya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiriya nigo liri ya kigema eryo lichunjugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwate chi DJ Chanjere chi MC nabwigo track yenabo kunyitumika asobokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsemo abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi emergency ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street endeyonsi chingaki obunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimgwetera se namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chiga eldio oikera bantabange ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imisangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyuru kinyomo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayiga asiriguridio gutugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare nobo manyi baiguro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gusigu yakisi migwitira namba 0143567165
Kyobongolyo mwanone kirijane.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna wano photography videography live stream na coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimya sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Ine kwabere gukorya ebintu by'ubwagaci na turabanira ikiburironge eduka ya Sha Ceramics yegutoke meyo mu cyobosongo yekonya ebintu by'ubwagaci munabono amabati kurasi company au neri ya maisha nyumba MRM ayora tumeke aso kugitera okubeka sekrama ayo ali yechi size au na wego nechi kala au nkone bari chisimiti kurasi company neri ya Simba elia Rhino Bamburi amoneri ya Rai nkone bari chichuma bunabono chiri cha deformed TMT bars square tubes flat bars angle lines na wego na Z bars nkone bari chi wire mesh chi black sheet chi black pipes nabwo na BRC boigo mbabwate chitangi bono buna kurwase company ya Techno ya Roto ya Top Tank nabwo na Jumbo igaiga as Sha Ceramics kira omutinyokwera mbabwate chiofa wigomba bwate obukoreri bwa clearance sales na ngubwate ukabale ebintu guchase chi institution gose institutional supplies talira lero Sha Ceramics imeyo mu cyobusongo ase nyumba ya Kansens Plaza eyo eligeranite na Mocha Building asamange bakere esimigwitira se namba 0703943972.
Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ekurwa amegeri jechikosi au bunabono building and construction gusobwagachi abwasiba kwegeria obwagachi bw'ekinyumba naboigo ebiwanda au kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking guse obusoni bw'ekyanga n'ebintu au abu ase bali na mbeyemo asugutwara machine echekerero nebinde binge nkwegerie bare amangana a beauty and hair dressing aigon kwegeri bare igore pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yende amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwata chi computer nebintu ebinge by'okwegeria ICT gwetania skuru ndi yonse era sorgongoroiga
asama lieta ngorukwa